Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your keyboard sound on Samsungs. Go to settings and go to sound. If you can't see it, click on system sound. Then click on system sound theme and pick the one you like and press it 6 or 7 times. Then go to the arrow and click on it, then keyboard sound or something. If you want to change it, click it off then on. There you go. Then I'm gonna try all of the sounds. If you don't want to hear it, just click off this video. I just forgot that I have to click it on then off. Sounds like the real one. Well, keyboard sounds. This is the real system sound.